Hello everybody, this is Gabriela with WTI. I've been lately struggling with some puffiness in my face. I feel like water retention, so I've been really into the Jade Roller and Gua Sha by my store. So it comes as a set, the Gua Sha and Jade Roller, and you can use this for your neck or for eye treatments. It really helps depuff your face. I feel like I leave these in my fridge for them to get cold, and then I start massaging my face and using all the little different edges that both of these items have to go through my under eye area, on my jawline, on my cheeks, on my neck, etc. So I've been using it a ton in my skincare routine. So I'm sure you're gonna love this. I will really recommend them, but that's just my point of view.